Hey all, welcome back to another video. Are you looking to improve your audio quality without spending a fortune? You're at the right place because today I'm going to show you a tool that's going to enhance your audio free of cost. And this tool will definitely help you for your YouTube videos, for podcast and voiceovers. So without further ado, let's start the video. You can see we are on our Google Chrome browser here. So first up, I will show you the audio that we're going to edit. It's right here on the desktop. This is the audio from one of my videos that I uploaded. I'll play this audio for your reference, for you guys to hear and see what kind of improvement you can expect from this tool. So let's play this audio. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Gmail account from the cPanel. It's very easy. You don't have to break your head. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, this video is full of background noise and the level is and the volume is not leveled, and there's so much noise in the background. So what we will do is we will use an online tool which is free. It is called Adobe Podcast. I'll show you how to access this tool. Just go to your Google and type Adobe Audio Enhancer. And from the results, go for this site, podcast.adobe.com. This is where you can enhance the audio recording. So once you reach this tool, go to this one, which says Enhance Speech. Go to Enhance Speech. So this is the right page and you'll have to just drop the files here. So you can see that this tool actually supports all these formats, MP3, WAV, and all the other formats. And there are some limitations, like the maximum duration is only 30 minutes and the maximum size is 500 MB. And the daily limit is 1 hour, of course. They should have some restrictions for sure. And once you're done reading this and understanding this platform, go ahead and click on this button over here that says Choose Files. And choose the file that you want to edit. And this will start uploading the MP3 file that you want to edit. It could be MP3 or any format of your choice that this platform supports. Let's just wait until the tool enhances. So what this really does is it will clear all the background noise and level out all the volumes and removes all the other things that are stopping this video from giving it a perfect finish. And you can see the audio is ready instantly. You can either download this or you can play from here. So I'll play for now.
Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Gmail account from the cPanel. It's very easy. You don't have to break your head. So let's get right into it.
This is the same audio that I uploaded, and you can see the quality difference. The Adobe Podcast tool has completely changed this video and given it a professional finish that you can expect from some audio engineer or somebody who's known to edit the audio for musicians or the professional podcast. So it's a very beautiful tool, and you should go and explore this tool from Adobe. And for more videos, don't forget to check out my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.